Cells in G0 phase. Option A, exit the cell cycle. Now cells in G0 phase have exited the cell cycle, and this phase is the resting state where cells are not actively dividing and they have left the cell cycle of growth and division. So many differentiated cells like the neurons enter G0 and may remain there permanently. Hence, this is the correct option. Option B, entered the cell cycle. It is incorrect. Now, cells in G0 phase are not actively entering the cell cycle. Instead, they are in a state of quiescence. Now, while some G0 cells can re-enter the cell cycle, but under certain conditions, as this is not their primary state. Option C, suspend the cell cycle. This is also incorrect. While cells in G0 phase are not dividing, they have existed rather than suspended the cell cycle. A suspension would imply a temporary halt like a cell in the G1 checkpoint, whereas G0 is a distinct exit from the cell. Option D, terminate the cell cycle. It is also incorrect. Cells in G0 phase do not terminate the cell cycle permanently. They simply exit it temporarily or indefinitely. The cell cycle as a whole continues in other cells, so this is not a termination.